Welcome to Health and Technology TV, where we share insights to improve your life with innovation and practical tips. Today, we're diving into life hacks for drivers you should know. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend road tripper, these tips will save you time, money, and stress while ensuring a safer, smoother driving experience. Stick around for some game-changing hacks, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and tricks. Let's hit the road. Staying organized in your car doesn't just reduce stress, it improves safety. Keep groceries and loose items in place with shower caddies or storage bins to prevent clutter. Attach command hooks to the back of seats to hang bags, umbrellas, or headphones for easy access. For trash, use a cereal container with a plastic bag as a DIY trash bin to keep your car clean. What's your go-to hack for keeping your car organized? Let us know in the comments below. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your comfort and safety while driving. Adjust your side mirrors outward to reduce blind spots and make sure your rearview mirror is centered for maximum visibility. Store a pair of polarized sunglasses in your car to reduce glare during bright days. For long drives, use a memory foam cushion to improve posture and prevent back pain. Have you tried any comfort or safety hacks for driving? Share your tips in the comments. Save money and keep your car running smoothly with these simple hacks. Regularly check tire pressure with a digital gauge to improve fuel efficiency and extend tire life. Park in the shade to reduce fuel evaporation and keep your car cool, which saves on air conditioning. If you have foggy headlights, clean them using toothpaste and a microfiber cloth for better visibility. What's your favorite way to save on fuel or maintenance costs? Share your ideas in the comments below. Be prepared for anything with these essential driving hacks. Keep a DIY emergency kit in your trunk that includes jumper cables, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and basic tools. In snowy or icy conditions, sprinkle kitty litter under your tires for added grip. Don't forget to save roadside assistance and emergency contacts in your phone and write them on a physical card for backup. What's the most useful item in your car emergency kit? Let us know in the comments. Leverage technology to enhance your driving experience. Download navigation apps like Waze or Google Maps for real-time traffic updates and alternate routes. Install a dash cam to provide peace of mind and serve as evidence in case of accidents. Pair your phone with a Bluetooth receiver for hands-free calls and music control. What's your favorite driving app or gadget? Share your recommendations below. From organizing your car to improving safety, these life hacks for drivers are practical, cost-effective, and easy to implement. They'll make your time on the road smoother and more enjoyable. Now it's your turn. Which of these hacks will you try? And do you have any favorites to share? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tech insights. Thanks for watching Health and Technology TV, and until next time, drive safe, stay organized, and keep innovating.